I had the pain for over a year, and then I retired, and I moved to Las Vegas, retiring. But after retiring, the pain started to get actually worse instead of getting better. Thinking after I retired, the pain would get better. It got worse. So finally, I got referred to Dr. Crovetti. After one visit, he gave me diagnosis, treatment, and we moved forward from there. And it was actually the treatment was the 2 hip replacements. So after 4 weeks, we set up the first treatment. After the second one, 4 weeks later, we did the second treatment, the second hip replacement. I couldn't wait to get the second one done because the first one was done so well. And after that 4 weeks, now I live with pretty much no pain. It's unbelievable how much pain is gone from just the 2 simple surgeries I could have done years ago. Because he even told me, "What are you waiting so long? I couldn't believe you waited so long to get this." Because I didn't think it was a hip problem. I thought it was just muscle, getting old age, just instead of a hip problem. Came to arthritic on both hips, but took a doctor to see it, and thank God I did it. Otherwise, I'd be still suffering in pain. I could barely walk well, every step was painful. Stairs were ridiculous. Getting in and out of the car, just getting in and out of the chair was painful. And being retired, the quality of life is zero. So I said, I had to do something. So thank God I came here, and this facility is great. They got you on your feet. They're helpful. They're very cheerful. Got home, got motivated. I would recommend this place to anybody to get it done. In fact, I belong to the senior community, and everybody knows I went to get hip replacement. His name comes up every time. Go to Crovetti, get your surgery done. So they complain about hips and knees and shoulders. As everybody gets older, we get all these pains. I said, you don't know what it is until you actually go get it checked out.